Welcome to our summary of Do Hard Things by Steve Magness. In this book, toughness is redefined, challenging the traditional view that it's all about being stoic, physically strong, and projecting a tough, masculine image. This outdated perspective, often celebrated in sports, leadership, and parenting, ultimately falls short when it comes to building real resilience. Instead of fostering true strength, it can have harmful effects on both our bodies and minds. Magness argues that this version of toughness focuses too much on outward appearances rather than cultivating the inner strength that truly matters. Rather than merely pushing through pain without complaint, the author introduces a new way of thinking about toughness, one that involves facing life's challenges with thoughtful reflection. This approach emphasizes inner resilience, the ability to confront discomfort, and the capacity to make wise decisions under pressure. Through a blend of compelling stories and solid evidence, the book sets the stage for a deeper exploration of what real toughness looks like, introducing four main pillars that guide us not just to endure tough times, but to grow and thrive through them. As the book delves deeper, it continues to dismantle the outdated notions of toughness. Traditionally, toughness has been seen as the ability to endure pain and adversity without showing weakness, a concept deeply ingrained in masculine norms. However, this view is fundamentally flawed. While it might seem to promote resilience, it actually encourages the suppression of emotions and an overemphasis on physical strength, neglecting the development of true inner resilience. The dangers of this antiquated idea of toughness are poignantly illustrated through the tragic story of Jordan McNair, a young athlete who lost his life due to a culture that pushed him beyond his limits. His coaches, adhering to old-fashioned ideals, failed to recognize his distress, leading to his preventable death from heat stroke. This heartbreaking incident underscores the peril of prioritizing physical endurance over safety and well-being. Furthermore, the book explores the psychological damage inflicted by this rigid concept of toughness. Research reveals that authoritarian parenting and coaching, which often reflect this outdated toughness, can result in negative outcomes such as low self-esteem, increased aggression, and risky behaviors. These consequences are the exact opposite of true resilience. The book describes how individuals who may appear tough on the outside are often fragile and ill-prepared for real-life challenges outside of their controlled environments. With this in mind, the introduction transitions to a new science-based understanding of toughness. Real toughness isn't about suppressing emotions or bulldozing through challenges. Instead, it's about managing discomfort and making thoughtful decisions when faced with difficult situations. This approach to toughness builds deep inner strength and resilience, enabling people to navigate life's challenges with wisdom and purpose. This shift not only enhances well-being, but also leads to a more fulfilling life. With this new perspective established, the book progresses to explore four key pillars that guide the development of strong inner resilience. These pillars provide practical advice for skillfully handling life's challenges, equipping readers to face adversity with genuine toughness. Building on the earlier concepts, the book further elaborates on the true meaning of toughness. The first pillar, Ditch the Facade, Embrace Reality, focuses on the importance of self-honesty. Rather than equating toughness with ignoring our limits or pretending to be invincible, the book encourages us to accept both our strengths and weaknesses. True confidence, it explains, stems from a deep understanding of ourselves, not from projecting an image of strength. This honest approach enables us to set realistic goals and make decisions that align with our actual abilities, leading to more satisfying and successful outcomes. Following this, the book introduces the second pillar, Listen to Your Body. It highlights the critical role of paying attention to our emotions and physical sensations, which are often dismissed or overlooked. Rather than viewing emotions as weaknesses to be suppressed, they are presented as valuable signals that provide insight into our internal state and the challenges we are facing. Learning to recognize and interpret these signals is crucial for making informed decisions. Whether it's a sense of discomfort or a wave of anxiety, understanding these feelings helps us respond more effectively to life's challenges. To deepen this understanding, the book distinguishes between feelings and emotions. Feelings are described as subtle signals, while emotions are likened to alarms that alert us to significant events. By tuning into these signals, we can navigate life's ups and downs with greater awareness, which strengthens our ability to deal with difficulties. These insights lay the groundwork for building real toughness, rooted in facing reality and being attuned to our emotions, preparing us to explore how these elements combine to create true inner strength and adaptability. Continuing on, the book presents the third pillar, respond instead of react. This concept emphasizes the power of mindfulness and intentionality in our actions. It advocates for creating a brief pause between the occurrence of a challenging event and our response to it. This moment of reflection allows us to consider our thoughts and emotions, giving us the opportunity to choose how we want to respond rather than reacting impulsively. The book clarifies that this kind of self-awareness and emotional control are not innate traits. They are skills that can be developed and refined. It provides practical advice on how to cultivate these skills, enabling us to handle challenges with greater calm and deliberate action, thereby enhancing our resilience and adaptability. Finally, the book transitions to the fourth pillar, transcend discomfort. This pillar shifts the focus from merely surviving challenges to thriving through them. It suggests that true resilience isn't just about enduring tough times, but about finding growth and meaning within them. The book highlights the importance of three fundamental psychological needs: autonomy, competence, and relatedness. Autonomy involves feeling in control of our actions. Competence is about having confidence in our abilities and recognizing our progress. And relatedness is about feeling connected to others and experiencing a sense of belonging. The book argues that when these needs are met, we remain motivated and can discover deeper meaning in our struggles, which helps shape our personal narratives. By aligning our efforts with a greater purpose, whether it's a personal goal or a cause that benefits others, we unlock a powerful inner strength. This approach transforms tough moments into opportunities for personal growth and connection, revealing what true toughness is all about. The book prepares us to face life's challenges not only with resilience, but also with a focus on growth and the pursuit of meaning in everything we do. As the book concludes, it offers a fresh perspective on the concept of toughness. The old notion that toughness is about being strong, dominant, and emotionally detached is thoroughly criticized. The book explains that this outdated mindset can be mentally and emotionally damaging, hindering personal growth and development. In contrast, the book encourages us to embrace a new kind of toughness, one that values authenticity, vulnerability, and inner strength. True toughness isn't about pretending to be fearless or invincible. It's about recognizing that we all have fears, failures, and uncertainties, and by accepting these, we can build a resilience that is genuine and enduring. The book wraps up with an optimistic message, urging us to move away from the pressure to appear unbreakable, and instead focus on cultivating true strength and openness. The key takeaway is that everyone has the potential to develop real toughness. This type of toughness enables us not just to survive hardships, but to grow and evolve into better versions of ourselves. By confronting life's challenges with grace and embracing our vulnerabilities, we can lead more meaningful and fulfilling lives. In the final chapter, there is a strong call to action, encouraging us to begin the journey of building true resilience. The book reminds us that real toughness isn't about acting unaffected by life's challenges. Rather, it's about understanding that discomfort is a natural part of life and using it as a catalyst for growth. The book emphasizes the importance of facing challenges head-on, encouraging us to embrace discomfort and find meaning in difficult times. It suggests that true strength comes from being open about our vulnerabilities and learning from every experience. This new approach to toughness is about understanding our limits and using that knowledge to become stronger. The closing message is clear. Let go of the need to appear invincible and embrace your authentic self. By developing inner strength and the courage to acknowledge our vulnerabilities, we can do more than just endure tough times. We can thrive and uncover deeper meaning and joy in life. The book leaves us with a powerful reminder that everyone has the capacity to build strong resilience and face life's challenges with grace and determination. If you enjoyed this summary, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us continue bringing you insightful book summaries and practical advice. Stay tuned for more content that can help you achieve your financial goals and personal growth. Thanks for watching.